Hi, so today we're going to be talking about a species. It's a specific kind of species called a dog. Are we talking about my dog in particular? This boy. So to start off, every species in order to survive needs the four components of a habitat: water, food, shelter, and space. As you can see, Gucci is in his natural habitat, and he is very happy. Yes, he mainly wants the place. Yes, he has taken over the living room for himself, but he has plenty of space to run around. He has the backyard, he has the front yard, he has water, he has food, and as for the shelter, my house. His species of dog came from the common ancestor of a wolf. A wolf is not domesticated, but a dog like Gucci is. The wolf is categorized as the genus of a species, while the dog is categorized as a subgroup within the genus of a wolf. A wolf is drastically different from a dog, but they share similar traits: their behavior, the snout, and how they eat. The dog, as a species, has many attributes that make them different from a wolf. They are more easy to approach, they're domesticated animals, and Gucci is very playful. Gucci is a handful, but I honestly wouldn't want any other species of dog to call my own than him.